Hello, it is the 7th of January and as you know, if you watched my video yesterday, I'm currently at my dad's house. Just chilling out. It's kind of like afternoon now. I'm not wearing any makeup because I don't want to. I'm just sort of chilling out right now and I think we're going to go for a walk on the beach because even though it's cold, it has been sunny today, which makes all the difference. Show you A, how pretty the sky is, and B, how badass that little fisher horn is. It's so cool. So Hetty got completely soaking because she fell in a channel. So we've had to give her, I didn't fall, she walked into a channel and then realised it was a lot deeper than what she thought it would be. So I had to swim, and so she got soaking. And now we're giving her a shower and now she's running around just trying to get dry because she's just a crazy dog.